We ain't got much or anything left in this greenhouse at the moment. Everything has been transferred onto benches outside. And there's a couple of reasons for that. The first reason, which is good news, we're going to get quite a few days of sunshine. It's also going to be quite warm as well. So things don't need to be in this greenhouse for a full week. Especially as salads. And of course, spinach. Everything's been moved outside on benches out there behind me. So we're not having to worry too much about them shrivelling up. And there's a reason why we might have to worry about that. And that's because I'm taking a break. As you know, I've been making these videos 7 days a week since beginning of year. And sometimes I've put a couple a day on, plus the cooking channel. But now season's quietening down quite a bit. There's also quite a few people that don't do autumn gardening. So for me, it's a perfect time for us to take a break. So starting this weekend, I'm going to be off at channel for about a week. And we know once that sun comes out next week, anything that's left in this greenhouse ain't going to last 2 minutes because there's going to be nobody here to water them. So we'll just pop them outside and hope we get a little bit of rain now and again, but not too much. And if we do get any, hopefully it's just a little bit through night. I actually started this channel up last year and we've built up quite a lot of followers since then. And because we've got more demand on the videos is the reason why I started making more videos more often. And there's so many people that's commented saying that they've gained something from these videos, which is the whole point at channel. So they're not only experienced gardeners, but people that want to just start up gardening can gain all knowledge that they need to get really good harvests. And I think we've succeeded in doing that this year. We've had so many positive comments and people have been amazing. We've now started exchanging hints and tips between us in comment sections of these videos. People have been so generous this year by making PayPal donations to the channel, so then we can put that money back into the channel, and it really does help us with all costs towards compost, seeds and trays. Everything that we need to continue making videos. And we are definitely going to continue to make videos. But I am just taking this quiet time just to take a week off. We're going to go and visit some friends in North Yorkshire, and we're going to have a few days holiday on top of that as well around that area. So then we can recharge his batteries, and we'll be thinking as well about plans for the future, because as we come out of one season we need to start making plans for the new season. We've got a couple of bits and bobs that we want to do through autumn going into winter, but I also need to prepare for next season, as I'm sure everybody else will be doing. There's going to be quite a few things once again this coming year that we won't be growing, and then some new varieties that we'll be trying, as we always do every season. So we'll get all that put together, we'll make all these plans, and when we get back it's going to be another tidy in garden, making sure everything's in place and we've made all those plans ready for 2024. Well, thank you so much to everyone that's played a part in this channel this year. I could not appreciate your support more, and I will be back in a few days time making some more videos and talking about some of the plans that we've got in mind for the coming season. And while I'm away, maybe have a look through some of the old videos and get a refresher ready for the new season yourself. If you're not already part of the channel, please hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and I'll see you all very shortly. Take care.